don't know, I call them like old-fashioned roosters. I mean, you really don't see that many skinny, beautiful.
Really
He's gorgeous.
Probably because they get home
And
before
see,
they-
this is like called a comb. See the rose comb? It's not like
big-
jagged
yeah.
like that. It looks more like
a rose. Right?
Yeah.
Wow.
They beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
And I think
Hi.
that's
Oh, they are beautiful.
There's no gobbling today.
Oh.
Hello. Oh,
Hello,
look,
pretty.
He's gonna show off for you.
Hi, pretty bird. Who's a pretty bird?
Look, he's gonna show off, of course, like they all do.
Ah.
How can you tell them apart? Come here, boy.
Come here.
Come here.
He's the not so nice one.
This one?
But he likes that. Yeah.
Oh.
Are you talking? Sundance is also a nice rooster.
He's-
And beautiful if that lady wanted a rooster.
Okay.
I mean, these guys aren't the bestest of friends.
Wow. Oh, they're so pretty. Hi, pretty
Yeah,
boys.
Sundance is beautiful.
Yeah. That's a
They
great,
all are.
great name
these
for
are-
him.
Sundance, I know,
Look
yeah.
at the little knob on top of the head.
I know, right? Like
Isn't that
Boone.
Ah.
Is that crazy looking? And then
Yeah.
sometimes it hangs down.
Like this one. Yeah. He's just showing off to you.
Yeah.
Being a good boy.
You
He's a very
are
sweet boy.
ridiculous. Can I just say how ridiculous you are? Come here. Give me
They're
a
so
kiss, guys.
beautiful.
it's okay.
Give me a kiss.
I know.
I don't
Look
care
at
if you
how,
hate
look
this
at
or
those
not.
intricate
I know, right?
patterns in
I know.
their feathers. They're
They're
beautiful.
amazing. Even the white
They
ones
look
are
like
amazing.
paintings. You know, they look like they're painted.
Yep. I know.
They don't even look real.
Is that you keep doing that?
I do,
Wow,
'cause
how do you do that?
I want to make them gobble.
Oh, that makes them gobble?
But yeah,
Usually it's a
sometimes.
scream or laugh.
Little brats.
Oh,
Which one do you think? Shall I take a picture of them and see which? I'm
Sundance.
gonna get them to